Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm showing you how to use this thermal camera. Okay, so before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in your home, thermal camera can be used for various reasons, like in order to detect the leaks, in order to find out the moisture areas, in order to check the insulation. For all it helps a lot. For example, as you can see in front of you, so this is a window here. Okay, a normal window, but see, what do you see now? There is a curtain. Okay, now I removed the curtain. What do you see the corner? You see the blue spots. The darker blue it is means moisture. So why do you see moisture there? It's not that water is leaking, but yeah, there's a corner, so that means cold layer is seeping through it more than other areas. That's why the more dark orange you see this strip on this side. So this shows the color indicator. So that means there is no heat loss in this area. The more you see towards the shade at the down, the more heat loss, or you can say insulation issues you have. Similarly, see in this area, if I put, if you want to click any picture, just press it. Okay, because sometimes like window or another area people want to capture the picture, so you can just press this trigger and it's gonna take the picture. Okay, this is power button. This is like moving the pictures. This is going back to the previous. Now see, what do you see? It's my leg. So for humans it's very easy to detect. Okay, you see, it's because of my body heat, it appears like this. If you go to your washroom area, even there it's going to be very useful, especially at the corners. If you see if there's any leakage, any moisture forming, it will definitely give you the indicator. See, it's covering a sink. So this is how simple it is, guys. With this you can identify the area in your house where you need to work. Of course I cannot give you the tour of my whole house with this, but it's a very good thing, especially with basements. If you have any leakage or water seepage, you can check with this where it's coming from. It can show you the moisture level. You can see in this blue area moisture level is high, and with obvious reasons. That's why you can seal these areas, do caulking. This will definitely help you. Okay, and if you move it to a duct line, it will come like orange because of the heat. Okay, in this way you can identify the areas and you can take suitable action. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.